Hey everyone, so you see this right here. This is actually my blow dryer, and this is what is called a diffuser. This is a magnetic attachment that comes with my blow dryer as well as the nozzle, which are very, very, very important. Today we're talking about how to get texture, waves, flips in your hair. Because it's so trendy and so popular right now, there's a lot of ways you can do this. So let's bring this mannequin head around to a couple of different angles. So you can see, we've got a pretty severe side part in through here, right? It really does not matter where you're parting your hair. You could be parting it down the middle. What's important though, however, is what's going on in through here. Now I know a lot of you don't want to see these flips. Oh, how do I get rid of this flip? Well, really, you can see I'm brushing it in, and with almost instantaneously, it's gone. So when you are styling your hair and blow drying it, the best thing to do is while the hair is damp, you need to blow dry the hair into the opposite direction using your hands and just rake it back this way. That's it. You're literally raking with your fingers with the blow dryer and the nozzle pointed in this direction, and problem solved. It's gonna go in this way. However, if you do want the hair to kind of flare out a bit and you want to have some texture and you want to see the fullness into here, maybe your face is very narrow and you want to add some width to it, this is the best way to do this. And all you're doing is literally scrunching like this, okay? The scrunching method and technique is the best way to achieve wavy hair. This mannequin has perfectly pin straight hair. There's no tricks. Now, this is perfectly straight hair. Now, how do we achieve this? You can see there's a lot of movement in through here. First of all, when I pull this hair out, you can see that it just stops right here. That's because the hair is layered. Now, if you want to have more of the texture throughout all of here as well, then you would scrunch this, and I'll show you in a second how to actually create waves like this to blend in with the back. If you are just looking for, some texture and fullness throughout the back here, then that's where you're gonna use Tidal Wave, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray a couple of spritzes on, 2, 3 spritzes maybe, let the product settle in to the hair. Then what you're going to do is you're gonna find that area where you want this to happen, where you wanna see the texture, you wanna see the movement, the shape, and you're gonna scrunch it while the tidal wave is still damp like this. Because the hair is gonna react the best, and this is the perfect time to set it, right? To set that style in place. Because if you do this while the hair is fully dry, it's just gonna become a big frizz ball, okay? Now, once this is all set up, ready to go, that's when you can either just let it air dry, set it and forget it, don't even touch it, or you go in with the diffuser, and that's where you're going to scrunch, and then just literally you're gonna hold the diffuser onto the head like this. And then maybe one last little scrunch like this, but you don't wanna touch it. If you want to continue this in through the sides, in through here, you're gonna do the same exact method and you're going to scrunch. Now, if you try this and you're like, oh, the hair is not waving, that's probably because this is way too long. Yes, you'll get some texture and movement. It just may not be as much as the back because this is a lot more layered down and through here. But if you do want to have more of a fuller and enhance a lot of these waves and curls in through here, or make it curlier if your hair is straight, you need to cut a lot of this bulk out like this. All this length in through here, you see that? That needs to get cut so it can blend in with the back in through here. Now, I think for this particular haircut, I was trying something where I wanted to leave this a bit longer and then just kind of showcase the back in through here. So it's almost like two different haircuts. But the key is to make sure that all of this is perfectly layered all throughout the entire haircut. That is how you're going to achieve this look if you want to have more curl in the back. If you want to have this straight and then the curl just down here, it's the same thing. You just blow dry this all straight, then you scrunch it only in the targeted areas that you want. That's all you do. So you're just placing it. It's a very, very visual thing. It's all technique based. The more you learn how to work with your hair, different styling techniques, and different things you can do with the blow dryer, with my products, then you're gonna have a much easier time styling this. So if you are interested in purchasing Tidal Wave, right here, or any of my tools like my blow dryer right here, it's you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and I'm telling you, you're gonna get 20% off on your entire order, which is a great discount. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.